Volkswagen Tiguan 2016 diesel 1968 cubic centimeters. How to change the tire load. Select the car option as shown. Press Setup on the touch screen. Scroll down and select Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Select Part Load or Full Load. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.